today's video we're going to see if it is possible to clean that van using just the snow foam and the pressure washer, no other products. So sometimes there are reasons you just want to do a lazy clean. My reason is this van's filthy. I'm doing a 50-mile round trip to work tomorrow. It'll be filthy again, so I don't want to put too much effort in. Anyway, you've got all this traffic film down here. The wheels are filthy. More traffic film around here. Bit of bird poop on the door handle. Let's see if it can be done. So I used, well, most of that. Had a little bit left over, so I just went round inside the arches and over the wheels again because they are pretty dirty, and along the bottom because that's probably the most dirtiest part of the van. So the van is all snowed out. So now I can see what it'd be like if I had a white van. So I'm going to let it dwell for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to get the pressure washer with the fanned out lamps on it, and we're going to pressure wash it off, nothing else, no contact wash, and we're going to see whether it removes most of that dirt, none of that dirt, some of that dirt. We'll just see. Well, that's dwelled for about 10 minutes. What have we learned? I've learned that lots of people walk their dogs down my street. Anyway, it started to sort of drip off, yeah, as you can see down here, so it is dwelling. Quick walk round, have a look at it dwelling, because that'll be nice and entertaining. And then we're going to get the pressure washer out, nothing else, no contact wash, just pressure washer, and rinse it all off and see how it's done. So in case you're wondering, this is Auto Finesse Avalanche. So let's start with inside of the wheel arches and the wheels. So first look inside here, yeah, it's very dark, you probably can't see on the camera, but that has really cleaned that with very little effort. And I've just got this bit of metal by accident as well, and look how clean that's gone. Tyre. Okay, not so good on the wheel, mind you. No, that's lacquer peel. That's not the washing ability of the snow foam. That is lacquer peel. Same with that as well. Yep, that's Wolf Race Wheels Fear. Yeah, more lacquer peel there. However, it has cleaned it. Yeah, it's clean. Just lacquer peel as well. So yeah, it's come up clean. So again, inside the rear arch, I've only done the back of that mud flap, but yeah, that's clean, and that was very easy. Look how easy that's come out. Yeah, again, quite a bit of lacquer peel on these wheels. Thought they were just dirty. Oh well, more lacquer peel, but where it's actually got it, that's clean, very clean. But look at that. Yeah, stainless steel. That's come up beautiful as well, hasn't it? Wow, look at that. Very little effort. Get the one at the back. Very little effort at all. Now if we go here, look, this was the dirtiest part of the van. Look at that. Look at that, it's removed all of it. Wow. Same again on the plastic. Look how clean that's come up as well, and look down here, look. Yes, I know you should start at the top, but we're just seeing how this cleans up, then I'll start at the top and do all of it. So normally you would use a traffic film remover on that and then snow foam over it, and then you might have to go scrub it whilst you're contact washing it, but look, wow, little effort at all. So we rinsed off that side, and yeah, it's come out really well. It's got rid of pretty much most of the dirt. Yeah, it's just a little bit there. You get a pressure washer, soap suds that is even. Yeah, just pouring out from behind there. There was a little bit here which I had to get a bit more with the pressure washer because it's a bit tough. Yeah, you use some tar remover. I get rid of that usually. That's a stone chip. And I believe that's some kind of a scratch there. And if it appear, no, that's just soap. Thought somebody scratched my door then. So what I've got here, there's a few, well, bit of greasy, buggy type stuff. Normally you put some traffic film remover on there, and I'll get that. Obviously this is the front of the van where it's hitting most of it, so yeah, it's a bit grubby there. But I reckon with a bit of effort for the pressure washer, and get rid of most of it. There's a couple of little bits here, but we've put no traffic film remover on here, no other products. We've just basically snow foamed it and hit it with a pressure washer. So if that's acceptable to drive, go out in public with, and well, it was easy. Look at how shiny the stainless steel bits are with very minimal effort. fairly clean with pretty minimal effort. Bit awkward getting that in there, but other than that, easy. Yeah, so what I have noticed with this side of the van is it's taking more effort because I've left it longer to dwell. It's probably dwelled too much. So what you should probably do is do like one side at a time. So now the bit I've been waiting for. Still got the bird poop on there. I haven't tried touching this with the pressure hose. I ain't touching it with anything else. So let's see what happens. Wow, there you go. Bye bye bird poop. So let this side dry off a bit. Is it clean? No. But is it? Would you get that with a contact wash? Probably. Is it cleaner? Majority, yes. So would you get it with a contact wash? Yeah. Or would you get it with a contact wash before you put the snow foam on? No. So you could probably get away with no traffic film remover, snow foam and a contact wash if you want it nice and clean. But if you just want it drivable because you're going to get it absolutely filthy anyway the next day, you could probably get away with snow foam in it and jet washing it. Anyway, for shits and giggles, there's a little bit of this left over. So let's have a little second go on just the bottom half. So that's been on about 5 minutes. Let's pressure wash it off and see what happens. So it's drying up now. Yep, that will come off in a contact wash, but it did not come off with just a pressure wash and snow foam. 2 goes down here. It's most of it's off, but it's still a little bit dirty. Yeah, bit there. But the van was caked and it got rid of quite a bit of it. So can you wash a vehicle with just snow foam and a pressure washer and make it acceptable to drive on the road? Define acceptable. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.